morning, dear sir and my lovely friends. I hope you all are well. I am very glad to be here. It is great opportunity to tell something about my small life. My name is Varsa Jha. I am from Saharsha. No, I live at Patwaha. About my qualification, I have done 10th in 2022 from Government Girls High School, Pura Bazar, Saharsa, and now I am doing 11th from RM College with Science branch. About my families, there are 5 members in my family. My father's name is Dinesh Kumar Jha. He is a teacher. My mother's name is Neena Jha. She is an educated housemaker. I am 3 siblings. I am the first child of my parents. About my favorites, my favorite food is jackfruit. My favorite hero is Varun Dhawan. About my hobbies, my hobby is playing, dancing and reading books. My aim is to be an IS officer. My ideal person is my father. That's all about me. Thanks for listening me. Thank you.